Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In experiment number 12, we have to observe different types of distortion in common emitter amplifier due to improper location of cue point or operating point. For small signal amplifiers, the cue point should be located in the middle of all possible values of VCE and IC so that the AC can be superimposed on this bias level without any distortion. So when the value of biasing resistor is properly selected so that the cue point is located in the middle of the graph like this, then there will be full output swing of the voltage. You can see that there is no clipping on the positive or negative side of the output voltage. But when the cue point is closer to the cutoff region, this is the cutoff region, and here the cue point is located closer to the cutoff region because of the change in biasing resistor values, then you will observe positive clipping of the output voltage. Similarly, when you change the biasing resistor so that the cue point is now located closer to the saturation level, then there will be negative clipping of the output voltage, as you can see in this graph. This is basically the value of IC, the output current, which is positive clipped in this case. So the procedure you have to follow is you have to implement this common emitter circuit. This is fixed bias circuit of common emitter amplifier. You have to implement the circuit on multisim and you have to simulate this on multisim. You have to connect oscilloscope on the output side and as well as on the input side. Use connect channel 1 with the input side and channel 2 with the output side. You have to measure the input and output voltages and the input and output voltage swing, and you have to calculate the gain VL over Vn. Now you will change the value of RB, make RB smaller, such as 50 kilo ohms, and you have to now check the output voltage swing. There will be negative clipping because when RB is small, IB is greater, IC is greater, and VCE, as VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRC, so VCE will be small. As VCE will be small, then it means that the cue point is now closer to saturation level, and there will be negative clipping in this case. Now in the fifth step, you will connect a large value of RB such as 3 mega ohms, and now again you have to check the output voltage swing. There will be positive clipping because when RB is large, IB will be small, IC will also be small, and VCE in this case will be greater. It means that now the cue point is located closer to the cutoff level, and that's why there will be positive clipping of the output voltage. So in this way you will be able to observe different type of distortion in amplifier circuits due to the change of cue point location. Also, you have to compare the outputs in these three cases and the value of RBs and the output voltages levels.